Good morning, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Archie Chaudhary. Hope you all are doing fine and you must have dropped the kiddos to school and it must be a nice normal day. It looks quite good and nice sunny, but nights are getting cold. So it is getting cold in the morning and evening. But the weather is good in the daytime. So, friends, today I'll be sharing a nice recipe of how to make aloo paratha. It's actually tortilla and potatoes, boiled potatoes, and how you make a nice tortilla with the potatoes. So it's called aloo ka paratha. Let's get started, friends. I've taken some potatoes. I'll be boiling them. I'm putting them in the water right now. So let's see what we can do with these potatoes. I'll boil these now. I'll close the lid right now. So I'll put the weight. Add the weight now and we'll keep it on high. Let's check whether the potatoes are done or not. Let's check. Check. We have opened the lid and you should always take a knife and poke and see. Oh, it's going so easily. It's already boiled. So here we take out all the potatoes. So now I've taken a potato. I'm adding some red chili. I'm adding some asafoetida, some turmeric, salt, and I'll be crushing it with my hands because with the hands it's more easier. Taken 2 cups of flour and now I'll be slowly adding water and I'll be slowly kneading and going about very slowly. This is how I knead. We need to knead it very slow and we don't have to make it a loose consistency. We have to keep kneading and just make it into a right dough. So well, and the dough looks very good. See, I can just poke my fingers and it's coming out so well. Just make it and knead it very nicely. Friends, I've already kneaded the wheat flour and I had used it last night. That's why you see this. So I had kneaded it. You just take how much amount you want. You need a big size of the ball and you roll it in your hands like this and you put it in the dry flour. I've already made 4 and kept already. So this is how it looks. So here you take the ball of a wheat flour, put it here, rotate it. Just keep rolling it and then rotate it. Keep rolling it again. Put the mixture which we have made over here, the potato filling mixture. I filled it. Now we cover up all the sides so that it doesn't ooze out. Put it back again, make it again a good ball. Put it in the dry flour. Now I keep rolling and rolling and rolling slowly. And whenever you think that the dry flour is needed, please add some and put it back here. Now take it and put it here. Keep rolling till a normal size is reached. So I can still roll it because we don't like thick tortillas in this. We like little thin ones. Yeah, that's done. Now I'll just take it. I'll put it on the griddle. Now friends, I've taken a nice spatula and I revert it and I let it cook little like this. We need to get some brown spots so that it cooks well. Turning it back again so that I can put some oil or ghee. I'm using ghee over here and just smear it. See how the ghee just melts on a hot tortilla. It's so yum. And you don't put all, you just put a little. So now I'm flipping all over again. See the smoke, friends, again. I love the smoke coming out. It's so soothing. So here friends, have the first bite of a hot tortilla. It's hot. Here you are. So friends, how easy it was to make aloo ka paratha. This is the favorite breakfast for all of North Indian people, and everybody loves to eat when it's a snowy day, rainy day, cold day. Eat hot and you'll feel so happy after eating this tortilla with the potatoes. Instead of eating the fried things, I feel this is good actually. Sorry, I flumbled. And yeah, that's what I was saying. It's a very healthy breakfast actually. So you should try it, and if it comes out well and if you liked it, please like my video, share it and subscribe it and comment below, and I'll be nicely answering your questions if you have any. Okay, till the next time, bye.